Hey everybody, look what I found today. So, went to Hobby Lobby, and y'all know that I am big into my happy planners. So went because there was new releases coming out today, and so I knew it was only on the Happy Planner site, but I wanted to come and check and see if they just by chance happen to put any out at the Michaels or the Hobby Lobby that's close to us. Nothing at Michaels, nothing in the clearance. And so then I went to Hobby Lobby, and lo and behold, no new stuff, but clearance items. Y'all, I figured it up, and it was like over $80 worth of stuff that I got for $17. Okay. I'm not big on the wrong girls, but found a notes. I got all notes. I didn't get any planners because I looked at it this way, that I could use the notes and write in them for anything. And I can always use that scrap paper, and it was really reasonable. So this was normally a $9, and I got it for $2.24. And it's a 60-page note sheet. I got this one. It's 60 pages, but it's the classic size. This is the mini, and this is the classic. I was normally $10.99, and I got it for $2.74. And this is an 80-page, and it's what they say. It's a notebook, but and it's called, it's a journaling one that normally is $12.99, and I got it for $3.74. This was the bargain. I think this was the best deal. I'll show you. These are the expander disc. And so if you're not familiar at all with Happy Planner and things, but these are metal expander disc. Normally are $20, and I got them for $5. So it was bargain day today, Hobby Lobby. And I got 2 packs of the dotted grid fill paper that is normally $7.99, and I got it for $1.12. Yeah. So I'm excited about that. So yeah, the paper is just 60 sheets. I think it's 40 sheets. Okay, so 40 sheets I got for $1.12. And they're all the dotted. And then I got this for 60 sheets for $2.24, okay? So what they do not make these things easy to get into, you know. Oh my goodness. Okay, have to pop it off and then slide it. And so this, I've not seen this, and really I'm not a fan of the wrong. So I have not looked at any other stuff at all. These were, I think, all releases from, looking to see if it says. I think these were all from spring of 2019, or maybe even the summer or fall. And so, get that little gummy stuff off. But this says, be your own kind of beautiful. And that's why I got it, because I was like, oh, there's not the girls on it. And I know that sounds really bad, but I didn't really like them. But there's just pink and with white dots on the front and back. And it's black and white striped with multi-dots. So I really like that. So let me take this off and show you then what the inside looks like. Because they are the new releases. There's lots of things coming out. And so, okay, this one says, capture the good times there. And so I'm kind of like her. And it is simply just dotted grid. And this says, show your magic to the world, is on the divider. And then this one, it's a good day to have a good day. And then it's got blue jeans, kind of really stylish look here. And there's just more, make some coffee and own the day. And then keep your heels, head, and standards high. And then some more just dotted grid paper. And it comes real cute little plastic pink disc that are kind of translucent. And so sorry if this isn't real clear, y'all. Okay, so then the next one is Happy Notes, and it's a dot grid. And I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like this or not, but like I said, I got it because of the paper. Can always use the paper, can use the covers as dividers, you know, on the inside if I don't like the way that it looks as an outside of a planner. Can use it to do a transformer planner, which I'm kind of thinking about doing. And I'm going to do another video on what a transformer planner is. Okay. So this is also a wrong, and it says Tropical Vibes. Okay. And that's the front, and there's the back. But what I really liked is kind of thought this one kind of looks like me a little bit, maybe 20 years ago. But what I liked is the inside is just the little palm leaves on the front and the back. And so I was like, oh, I could use that, you know, if I needed it outside. So let me take this off. This is also just plain dotted grid paper. Find me under the palms. And I like because it says Mermaid Off Duty. And then it's just got simple, look, lines and florals. And just more dotted grid paper. Find happiness where the sun shines. Follow the call of the beach ball. That's kind of cool. And the colors of and it looks like a beach ball there. Wild and free. Same that's on the front. And then it says bright days ahead. And that's all it is. So it's just note paper. So I'm going to go through and show you how I'm going to transform these into one, because when you have note paper, you don't need to have dividers. So you can use those for other things. Okay, so this one is what they say is a journal. This is a journaling one. And so I'm going to talk. And I think I actually might already have this one that I found last year, maybe. But I really like, it says, go after your dreams. It's just real simple with navy blue and gold. And then the back is actually navy blue and white. And the inside kind of is like, kind of looks like a lavender and grayish kind of color on the inside. Okay. And the inside black says it's not about having time, it's about making time, which is so true. Okay. I'm going to go through what the dividers look like first and then talk about what's on the inside. Focus on what matters. And then just a plain thing there. And then great things can happen when you have the courage to be yourself. And let me show you that. And then it's just a solid, not solid, but got like little stars. Okay, so the first page of each section in this is a little bit different. It says it's for journaling, but I'm not real sure like kind of how that works into it. But okay, so it says the last time you, and then it goes into washed your sheets and bedding, cleaned out the fridge, got the car an oil change, got a physical or checkup, cleaned out your closet. And then there's like room for like 4 more things. And it's actually like for 3 months. I think that's probably what it's for. Because what I'm going to look, okay, so there is 80 sheets in here, and there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 sections. So that would be 4 times 3 is 12. So each section is like 4 1/4. And then after that first page, it just is dotted grid with a little flower, dotted grid just with a border around it. Then it goes into a little, oops, hold on. Skip the page, y'all. Okay, this has got, then it's got habits where you can list your habits and then track, and it's numbered down to 1 to 31. And then goals, and then it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little sections to put whatever you want on here. Then it's got a typewriter, and then has a little banner. Okay, I'm sure there is directions on how to use this and whatever, but what I'm going to do, okay, and then there is 2 pages of little boxes. You can do it with whatever. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you, is, so that's, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages, okay, that I'm going to take out. Starts with this, so there's 5 pages of each section that I'm going to take out, and that leaves then just paper. Okay, so that way I've got 3 notebooks, and I'm actually, because these are large, okay, I'm going to show you the difference in the disc. So this is the same size, oh, excuse me, same size planner, okay, or notebook notes. Okay, so the Tropical Vibe and the Dream one are the same size, but look at the disc. So I can take all the paper from this one and put into this one if I choose to. And then can use this for something else. So just saying, those are some things that you can do. And then I told you about the fill paper. Told you about the mini, okay? And so this has got different discs on it, and I've got some other discs that I could put bigger ones on here if I need to do that. So that was my kind of little find that I found today, and I'm excited because I got all this note paper that I can be taking notes on. You know, like the little one can throw in my purse. I've got some others, but y'all, what a deal. I think I figured up it was like 75% off is actually what it was. So happy planning, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later.